Sarura Kids.
Are you ready for your slime?
Yes. Yes.
Are you ready for your slime?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yay! Rue's ready to get slimy. Do you like that colour?
Yeah.
It's still a bit hard because it was in the fridge. So you really need to give it a bit of a squeeze and see if it gets a bit more slimy and icky.
Slime.
Yeah, one part of it is quite slimy, but quite a lot of it is not.
I'm making it so squishy.
It is quite nice and squishy. I had a little play with it while I was making it. And it was very, very lovely. I couldn't wait for you two to see it.
Ickiest.
It is icky, but I think I remember you have some stuff you want to put in there.
Someone on my jump.
Oh, don't worry. We'll have to just wash it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, for bedtime.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. Mommy, I want some more colours.
You want some more colours in there? We can make other colours. I just put in bright, well, it's not really bright pink. It's a pink, because I know you guys love pink.
Mommy. Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Yeah. Let's just take mine. This is long. It's like
I'm glad you like it. And the more you squeeze it, the runnier it's going to become. So once you get, see, like over there. Once you really get your hand stuck in there, it just gets better and better and better.
We have slime.
We make edible slime.
Slime. It's really yucky, Daddy.
You don't like yucky slime? I think you like yucky slime. It's gooey. Give it a nice good squeeze. Bloop.
I can put it on my arm because my sleeve.
Oh, don't put it. Oh, dear. That was like an open invitation, wasn't it?
So messy. Messy.
Yeah.
Messy and Bessie. I'm vibing.
You're messy, Bessie.
Messy Bessie.
You're a very messy, mucky pup. That's quite nice, isn't it? Weren't you guys going to do a little experiment? That's why you brought all of your toys. I'm stuck in slime, I am. Help, help. Oh no! Who will rescue me? These two won't. Poor slimy people.
I'm taking the slime off.
Good luck with that. We're going to dip them in a bath, nice warm bath, and that will get rid of the slime.
Yeah, I wash them in hot water.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So all of it out of the drain.
Yeah. Actually, I should probably peel them out of there first, because I tend to throw cornflour and oobleck type stuff down in the bin. And that has got cornflour and icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
Yes, icing sugar. You just heard that.
Can we eat it?
I don't know. Have a taste and tell me if you can. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I didn't see any go in. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's not what you said.
It looks like oobleck.
It does look a bit like oobleck, doesn't it?
Because it's the same as oobleck.
Yeah. But it is a bit slimy.
Yum!
It's a bit slimier than oobleck.
It's really yummy.
It is quite yummy. It's got I was going to say it's got oobleck. It's got cornflour. It doesn't mean that you should sit here and just work your way through it. It's got cornflour and coconut milk and I forget now. I only just did this yesterday. It's got cornflour and coconut milk and icing sugar. Yes, and icing sugar.
I like icing sugar.
I know you do. And so does every bowl when you guys have helped me to make some icing. And you can carry on with the slime. I probably should not have said that it is edible. Well, that's one way of cleaning your toys. He is virtually clean. Poor little guy. So do you like edible slime then, girls? I guess that's a yes. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, your mouth is completely empty as though there was nothing there at all. We'll see how enthusiastic you are about eating afterwards. At least we've got soup. We got soup tonight. You think this counts as dessert? I think so too. Yay! Good squeeze. It's going all gloopy.
Oh my.
Mm-hmm.
Different. Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna let you guys finish your dessert before your dinner, and I will go check on our soup and make sure it is ready because I think it is nearly dinner time now. And so see you later then. Say bye to your friends. See you next time.
See you next time.